In this chat, I'm going to share some solid tips for starting your Carpenters Union apprenticeship, especially if you're new to the whole carpentry game and want to hit the ground running. When you first jump into the apprenticeship, the biggest thing is to bring that attitude that screams you're ready to learn and you actually care about getting it right. Don't stress too much about messing up early on because honestly, everyone screws up when they're starting out. Just show up consistently, be eager to soak up knowledge from the guys around you, and don't be shy about asking questions or trying your hand at different tasks. Usually, your coworkers will let you borrow tools until you get your own gear, so pay attention to what they use and keep a mental list or even a real list of what you'll need. Speaking of tools, it's smart to start building your toolkit bit by bit. Grab a new tool every couple paychecks, even if it's something small like a good tape measure or a quality hammer. The union typically gives you a detailed list of essential hand tools you absolutely gotta have, so lock that down early. Remember, the company usually supplies power tools, but the hand tools, that's on you to gather and maintain. One of the biggest mistakes I see newbies make in carpentry apprenticeships is sticking around crews or bosses who don't actually teach or help you grow your skills. Trades can sometimes have people who aren't great at passing on knowledge or communicating clearly, and if you find yourself in that spot for too long without much learning happening, it's okay to think about moving on. Another common pitfall is not showing up consistently or being late because it gives off a bad vibe and can seriously slow down your progress. Reliability is everything in the trades. Lastly, don't underestimate having your own set of hand tools ready to go. Carpenters who don't have their tools on the job or leave them at home end up looking unprofessional and slow down the whole crew. Keeping your tools organized and always ready is a simple way to stand out and show you mean business. BigHomeProjects.com is a clutch resource for folks like you starting out or even seasoned pros. It connects homeowners with trusted local contractors, so everyone gets matched with the right skill set. Plus, if you're a contractor or apprentice looking for gigs, it's a solid platform to find work and build your reputation in the community.